Number 1. 1984 Ford F-150 long bed, $4,500, Windsor, Pennsylvania. This 1984 Ford F-150 long bed appears to be a clean and straightforward full-size pickup with only 12,345 miles shown on the odometer and an automatic transmission. Finished in gray and reported with a clear history and no significant issues, it presents itself as an attractive candidate for collectors looking for an unmodified 80s Ford truck. While detailed mechanical information is limited, the overall condition suggests it has been well preserved. These F-Series trucks are respected for their durable chassis, simple mechanical design, and excellent parts availability, making this an affordable classic with strong long-term appeal. Number 20. 1979 Ford F350 XLT 4x4, $8,000, East Hampton, Connecticut. This 1979 Ford F350 XLT 4x4 is a serious heavy-duty classic, powered by a 351M V8 backed by a C6 automatic transmission, NP205 transfer case, and Dana 60 axles front and rear. The truck has undergone an older restoration using original Ford body panels and has received numerous recent mechanical upgrades, including a new fuel system, ignition components, brake system, starter, and battery. Sitting on an impressive 10-inch lift with 39.5-inch Super Swamper tires, it also includes a functioning snowplow. Although the cab has rust in the floors, roof, and mounts, the seller notes everything is repairable. This is an excellent platform for off-road enthusiasts or anyone seeking a classic workhorse with substantial upgrades. Number 3. 1968 Ford F100, $8,500, Seneca Falls, New York. This 1968 Ford F100 long bed has been upgraded with a reliable 351 Windsor V8 and C6 automatic transmission, replacing the original 352 engine. Originally from North Carolina, the truck remains remarkably rust-free except for one small repairable area on the tailgate. Equipped with power steering and power brakes, it runs and drives well while maintaining a clean interior and respectable driver-quality paint. The truck is currently registered and roadworthy, making it an appealing option for buyers who want a dependable vintage pickup that requires very little immediate attention. Number 4. 1982 Chevrolet C10 long bed, $4,500, Shenandoah Junction, West Virginia. Powered by the dependable Chevrolet 350 V8, paired with a Turbo 350 automatic transmission, this 1982 Chevrolet C10 is a solid running and driving square body pickup. Air conditioning is factory equipped, although it currently requires repair. The truck offers an honest driver-quality presentation with reliable mechanical performance, making it an excellent candidate for light restoration or regular weekend use. Square-body Chevrolet pickups continue to enjoy strong collector demand because of their timeless styling and simple yet durable engineering. Number 5. 1952 International Harvester L112 Pickup, $6,000, Keene, New Hampshire. This exceptionally solid 1952 International Harvester L112 is described as a rust-free Western farm truck with only one small rust spot. Powered by its original 220 cubic inch inline-6 engine and 3-speed manual transmission, the engine turns freely but requires a water pump before becoming operational. The original green paint remains visible inside the bed, adding authenticity and charm. With its clean title, excellent body, and increasing rarity, this International represents an outstanding restoration candidate for collectors looking beyond the more common Ford and Chevrolet trucks. Number 6. 1979 Chevrolet K10 Project, $850. Cortland, New York, priced at just $850. This 1979 Chevrolet K10 is clearly intended as either a restoration project or a donor vehicle. The truck is currently non-running and sold strictly for parts or restoration purposes. Even so, four-wheel drive, square-body Chevrolet trucks continue to command strong interest due to their iconic styling and excellent aftermarket support. For an experienced builder, this inexpensive project could provide the foundation for a rewarding rebuild. Number 7. 1965 Ford F100, $8,000, Circleville, New York. This 1965 Ford F100 features a rebuilt inline-6 engine paired with the classic 3-speed column-shift manual transmission. The seller describes it as a good-running truck with all systems functioning properly. The simple drivetrain, rear-wheel drive layout, and dependable Ford inline-6 make this pickup an excellent cruiser that stays true to its original character. Mid-60s F-Series trucks remain highly desirable for their clean styling and straightforward mechanical design. Number 8. 1979 Ford F-150 4x4 short bed flatbed, $2,000, Monroe Township, New Jersey. Powered by a 351M V8 and a low-mile automatic transmission, this 1979 Ford F-150 4x4 has been converted into a practical flatbed work truck. The body shows its age and is far from show quality, but the drivetrain has received significant recent updates. The seller describes it as an ideal mud truck or dependable work vehicle with a clean New Jersey title. At only $2,000, it offers excellent value for someone looking for a functional, vintage four-wheel drive pickup. Number 9. 1970 Ford F350 long bed, $2,500, Mokina, Illinois. This 1970 Ford F350 is equipped with the proven 360 FE V8, 4-speed manual transmission with granny low gear, and a factory dump bed. The truck runs and drives well, benefiting from new brake components and a solid frame after spending its life on a farm. Minor issues include an exhaust leak and a small intake gasket oil leak, but both are relatively straightforward repairs. Its rugged drivetrain, farm history, and unique dump bed configuration make this an affordable and interesting heavy-duty classic. Number 10, 1984 Chevrolet S10 Extended Cab, $4,200. Sandwich, Illinois. This modified 1984 Chevrolet S10 delivers impressive performance thanks to a Chevrolet 350 small block V8 paired with a 4R70E automatic transmission and 4.0 rear gearing. While the body has rust, worn doors, and cosmetic imperfections, the truck reportedly runs exceptionally well and offers an exciting driving experience. Clean title status and strong mechanical performance make it a fun budget hot rod for enthusiasts who prioritize performance over appearance. Number 11, 1982 Chevrolet C10 Long Bed, $6,000, Francisville, Indiana. Originally built with a 6-cylinder engine and column shift manual transmission, this C10 has been upgraded with a 350 V8 and floor shift 3-speed manual. Extensive recent maintenance includes a complete brake overhaul, suspension repairs, ignition tune-up, interior improvements, windshield replacement, new lighting components, and fresh fluids throughout. Dual exhaust provides a classic V8 sound, while the truck reportedly runs well despite a slightly sticky shifter. This well-maintained square body offers a strong combination of reliability and classic character. Number 12, 1979 Chevrolet C30 Flatbed, $1,200, Waterloo, Iowa. This 1979 Chevrolet C30 Flatbed is an inexpensive, heavy-duty work truck powered by a 350 small block V8 and automatic transmission. After sitting 4 years, it started with little effort and remains drivable despite sticking brakes, minor oil leaks, and significant cosmetic wear. The solid flatbed and running drivetrain provide an excellent foundation for farm work, hauling duties, or a budget restoration. At just $1,200, it represents considerable value. Number 13, 1981 Chevrolet G-Series 3500 truck, $2,000, Rock Island, Illinois. This 1981 Chevrolet G-Series 3500 starts, runs, and drives well according to the seller. The primary repair needed is replacement of the brake master cylinder. With only 68,000 miles shown, a manual transmission, and a healthy engine that does not smoke, it offers an affordable entry into classic Chevrolet heavy-duty ownership. Once the brake system is repaired, it could serve as a dependable vintage utility truck. Number 14, 1982 Chevrolet C20 Long Bed, $1,600, Winnemac, Indiana, powered by the legendary Chevrolet 350 V8 and Turbo 400 automatic transmission. This well-used C20 remains a dependable daily driver despite over 355,000 miles. The truck has rust, cosmetic wear, a cracked windshield, minor startup smoke, and a small oil leak. Yet the seller confidently drives it everywhere without hesitation. Its honest mechanical reliability outweighs its cosmetic flaws, making it an attractive budget work truck with proven durability. Number 15, 1977 GMC Sierra 2500 Camper Special, $4,500, Bluffton, Indiana. This 1977 GMC Sierra 2500 Camper Special combines classic styling with practical utility thanks to its electric dump bed. The truck runs, drives, and stops well, requiring only a rear brake hardware kit to complete its mechanical needs. Camper Special models were designed for heavier hauling duties and remain popular among collectors seeking vintage heavy-duty pickups. The functional dump bed adds even more versatility, making this an uncommon and useful classic. Number 16. 1984 Ford F-150 XLT long bed, $10,000, Indianapolis, Indiana. Owned by the same family since approximately 1986, this 1984 Ford F-150 XLT is a genuine long-term survivor. Powered by a dependable drivetrain that still runs and drives exceptionally well, the truck has spent much of its life performing light fuel hauling duties. While rust is present in the floor pans and body, the bed remains solid and structurally sound. Long-term ownership history is always desirable among collectors because it often reflects consistent care and honest maintenance. This F-150 represents a solid opportunity to own a classic Ford pickup with documented family history and everyday usability.